This is going to be a retake, which is the only elevator that's working today. It's absolutely on the right path. So at the Roosevelt Mall in Garden City. This thing is extremely busy with the Chewbacca replacement. See? No sign of the left car. See? Don't know why. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. All right. Lower level. I'm not gonna press the don't close button. Watch this. This elevator's gonna squeak. Oh, okay. 2.
Going up?
Yeah, this is going up. What floor are you going to?
2.
Okay, same here. 2. So little squeak. Have a good day. 1. KSS 140 fixtures. Here we are at 1. This is all yours. Anyway, I'm not going to watch the locals because this elevator is going to be extremely busy. That's it.